Hey folks, Grizz from How to Geek here, and today we've got one for the gamers. I'll be unboxing the Razer BlackWidow V4 75% mechanical keyboard, a total game changer. The box itself exudes that signature Razer vibe with all of the green bits. Open it up, and we find the Razer BlackWidow V4 75% keyboard, a compact powerhouse with hot-swappable mechanical switches. Razer touts this keyboard as one made for those who enjoy both customization and immersion in their gaming experience. Let me clear out the packaging so we can get a good look at what's inside. The keyboard's 75% compact layout with an aluminum top case not only ensures durability, but also retains essential functionality with a function row and arrow keys. This keyboard seems built for a balance between form and function. In addition to the keyboard, we've got a standard quick start guide to get you up and running in no time. Razer includes this magnetic plush leatherette wrist rest for those intense gaming marathons, and the requisite USB-C cable, of course, with more Razer green bits. This keyboard has a nice overall feel to it. Maybe not quite as sturdy as some of the aluminum keyboards out there, but it feels durable nevertheless. I like the feel of the stock keys, light and balanced with a satisfying click. And of course we had to check out the Razer Chroma RGB Lighting. The two-side underglow combined with per-key lighting can be synchronized with your game, enhancing immersion for hundreds of integrated games. Using Razer's setting interface, you can customize the keyboard to heart's content with a bunch of cool presets and advanced options for creating any number of pattern and color options. And for all you keycap aficionados, the BlackWidow V4 comes with double-shot ABS keycaps. They're designed to withstand intense gaming sessions, and you can easily swap them out thanks to the hot-swappable design, compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. And there you have it, the Razer BlackWidow V4 75% keyboard. For a full performance assessment, check out our detailed review. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to stay in the loop with all things geek, make sure to subscribe to the How to Geek newsletter. Until next time, this is Grizz signing off.